In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a simple but powerful CRM in Notion using built-in templates. This is perfect for freelancers, small business owners, startups, or anyone who wants to manage leads, customers, and relationships in one clean dashboard without paying for expensive CRM software. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working CRM inside Notion that you can customize to your workflow. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and head to your workspace. From the sidebar, click on New Page. This creates a fresh page where your CRM will live. You can place this inside any workspace or folder you want, depending on how you organize your Notion setup. Once the new page opens, give it a name if you'd like, or you can rename it later after the template is added. Next, inside this new page, look for the Templates option. Click on Templates to open Notion's template gallery. This is where Notion provides ready-made systems created by both Notion and third-party creators. These templates are a huge time saver and are perfect if you don't want to build everything from scratch. In the template search bar, type in Small Business CRM. This will filter the results and show CRM templates designed specifically for managing customers, leads, and deals. Take a moment to scroll through the options so you can see what's available. Once you've typed in Small Business CRM, click on Show All Search Results. This expands the full list and lets you browse all CRM templates related to small businesses. Look for one that fits your needs, especially one with contact management, pipelines, and deal tracking built in. When you find the template you want, click on Add. Notion will now add this CRM template directly into your workspace. This may take a few seconds, depending on the size of the template and your internet connection. Once it's added, you'll see a fully structured CRM page with databases, views, and example data already set up. After the template is added, click into the page title and type in Small Business CRM, or any name that makes sense for your business. Naming your CRM clearly helps keep your workspace organized, especially as it grows over time. Now you can start exploring the CRM layout. You'll typically see sections for contacts, companies, deals, and pipelines. Click into the business or main CRM dashboard to view how everything connects. From here, you can start customizing fields, adding your own contacts, tracking deal stages, and modifying properties to match your workflow. This CRM is fully customizable, so feel free to adjust statuses, add tags, or create new views like Kanban boards or tables. And just like that, you've built a CRM in Notion using templates without writing a single formula or building complex databases from scratch. This setup is powerful, flexible, and completely scalable as your business grows. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.